Alright, if you're about to upgrade your storage and you're staring at a wall of SSD specs, let me break down exactly what you should care about and what you can skip. First up, the most important thing: form factor. Most people choose SATA. Most people choose NVMe. SATA is the old-school, slower option, but compatible with almost every desktop and laptop. NVMe uses small M2 slots. NVMe can hit up to 7,000 MB per S versus around 550 MB per S for SATA. If your system supports NVMe, go for it. These are the specs that actually matter. Now, capacity. Don't get stuck with less than 500 GB in 2025. 1 terabyte is the sweet spot for most users. But there are other critical specs to consider. Endurance, measured in TBW. TBW, how much data you can write before wear. Editing lots of 4K? Get higher TBW. Normal daily use. Most SSDs last years. Read-write speeds. For NVMe, aim for 3,000 MB/S plus read and 2,000 MB/S plus write. SATA tops around 550 MB per S. Fine for basic use. Here are the top picks from our research. DRAM cache. Keep speeds consistent when moving big files. No DRAM is okay for light use, but get DRAM for gaming or productivity. Alright, so, what are the best SSDs you can get in 2025? Samsung 990 Pro. Crucial P5 Plus. Samsung 870 EVO. To sum up, check your motherboard for NVMe support. Grab at least 1 terabyte. Don't stress about TBW unless you're a heavy user. Get a drive with DRAM if possible. That's it. Picking an SSD shouldn't be complicated. Just focus on these specs, and you're set for a speedy, reliable upgrade. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides that actually matter.